1inch. So, 1inch network has been doing some serious upgrades. Things have got a lot cheaper. It's a nice way for everyone to do a swap. They are an aggregator that basically trawls the internet of dexes to try and find you guys the best swaps possible at the best prices possible. I want to take a look at what this can hit in the next bull cycle. Before I get into it though, guys, if you're new here and you don't know what this spreadsheet is, these are the first 26 coins that I did videos about on this channel. In the videos, I showed myself buying up these coins. I expected they were going to make me a lot of cash. And you can see what they were worth when I recorded the videos and released them, and the highs that these coins hit in under a year and a half. It was about 16, 17 months. And these are what your profits would have been if you'd put $100 into each one. And if you had done that for all 26, your total profit in, again, about 16, 17 months would have been over 123 grand, which is not bad. Now, I sold all of these, but I share the coins that I'm in on my website, which is copymycrypto.com. So anytime I find a coin that I think is going to make me a lot of cash, I jump onto my site, I tell my members about the coin that I'm going to buy, the profits I think it can have, and the percentage of my money I'm going to put in. The members can copy along exactly, which means they make the exact same profits as me. The nice added bonus there as well, members don't have to do any work. That's why we have thousands and thousands of members on the site, because they're making great money in crypto, but they're not doing a dot of work. And if you want to see what they've made, that's on the website. If you want to see what I've said in the past, that's also on the website. And guys, it's all on the history of this channel. We are in a bull cycle right now. And if you haven't got your portfolio sorted yet, you're going to miss out on profits. If you are thinking about sorting it out in 6-7 months, you're going to miss out on profits. Now is the time to get things going, and copymycrypto.com can help you with that, guys. So 1inch. I like 1inch network. It's a DEX aggregator, right? They launched in 2020, or right at the end of 2020. They actually did pretty well in terms of previous high. They ran up to, I think it was just shy of, or just above, just shy of $8. $7.87. So it's a fraction of that now, which is not bad. So what they are, like I say, 1inch unites a bunch of decentralized protocols whose synergy, I hate that word, enables the most lucrative, fastest, and protected operations in the DeFi space. So the 1inch network's first protocol is the DEX aggregator solution. So it just trawls the internet for liquidity sources, offers you the best possible rates across all the exchanges or across all the DEXs. Now, the aggregation protocol now incorporates over 400 different liquidity sources across 12 different chains. That's Ethereum, BNB, Polygon, Avalanche, Optimism, Arbitrum, Phantom, Genesis, Clayton, Aurora, ZK Sync, and Base. In just over 2 years, the 1inch DEX aggregator reached over 1 million users, surpassed 150 billion in overall volume just on Ethereum. So across the board, huge amounts. Although Ethereum will obviously be the one that has the majority of the volume. The 1inch have added to this really well. They've got the 1inch wallet. They've got, which is the multi-chain mobile platform, easy to navigate, secure storing of your crypto. You can also stake as well. Their 1inch token is the governance token, and 1inch holders can stake to participate in the governance. And also holders can choose resolvers and earn a part of their fees. So that's a nice sort of way of earning a little bit extra. This was hugely funded. They raised 12 mil in 2020 through Series A funding that was led by Pantera Capital. The others include Parafy, Blockchain, Nemo, and Spartan Group. In 2021, they closed a 175 million Series B round led by Amber Group. But you also had Jane Street, Van Eck, Fembushi, Alameda, Celsius, Nexo, Tribe, and Gemini. Now, obviously, Alameda and Celsius all went tits up, but the others did pretty well. So the founder is Sergey Kunz, I want to say Kunz. and Anton Yukov, who met at the ETH Global New York Hackathon in 2019. Now, I want to actually talk about the recent upgrade. And now a word from our sponsor, Hehe. So they are like Pepe was back in the day. This is the early stages of Hehe. They have capitalized on the Elon Musk post that he did back in the day of Pikachu. This is the people's meme. As you can see, Elon Musk posted this back in 2020. And you can see him doing it again. He posts randomness, doesn't he? But in the time that Hehe have been up and running, they've built a pretty damn strong community. They've got over 1 million community members now. They're getting out 40 million impressions a month. And they're really pushing on that meme area. But the big boost here is they've got a DeFi program that's very unique and gives you the real potential to earn very, very well. It's buyable on PancakeSwap, it's buyable on Uniswap. So if we just go through the process here, we'll jump onto PancakeSwap. Let's say we'll use 75%. We'll leave ourselves a little bit of BNB so that we can try the DeFi program. So we'll swap that now. Okay. Added Hehe to the wallet. So that should update in a second with balance. And then we'll move on to the Hehe DeFi program. So transactions confirmed. There we go. So if we go straight onto the DeFi program, so all you have to do is launch app and it will bring you straight here. And then when we go from here, so registration in the Hehe Boost program. So you have to make sure you've got a balance, make sure you've got a bit of BNB in your account, and then you can approve. And then from there, we'll walk through the process. So there's the customer spending cap. So we'll just do that nice and quick. This takes a minute, a bit less usually. And then everything should be updated nice and fast. There we go. So approved. So now we should be able to just get up and running. So if we refresh, we should have an approval here now. Yeah, okay, we'll try again. Register. Oh, because I clicked register, not approved, didn't I? Not donor. So there's the register. And there we go. So I've got my invite link. So the point of this is that you can actually boost your earnings by getting invites in. So it's a clever little referral program. So you can boost up to 500% of your earnings. So if we just open this up, as you can see, level 1, I need $7.9 million of trades from my referrals. Once that's done, I'd get 500% of that. If I activate this, so we'll upgrade. We'll go again. As you can see, the process takes a little bit of time, but not too much. And we just run through the boost program. But you can earn very, very well, very, very fast just by referring your mates that are in the meme coins into Hehe. And if they're trading, if they're buying, you can keep adding to this really, really nicely. And the earning capabilities are damn good. So again, approval should come through in a second. And we go again. And we'll just go through and we can see how much we can earn. There we go, transaction confirmed. And we should see another level 2 sorted now. Speed-wise, obviously not incredible, but, you know, part of the process. So every time, so the way this will work is every single time a level is complete throughout Hehe, the the earnings of 500% of what the level is. So once you've got that done, you know, that's an 8 mil amount of Hehe, so you'd get 5 times that, so that would be 40. This one, a little higher. And again, let's see if it's activated. It's taking a little bit of time. So there we go, 10.5. So I get 5 times that. And we go again. And as you can see, you know, the earning capabilities here are damn good. Doesn't take much at all before you've got a really strong, healthy Hehe account. And all that's required, like I said, is just going through the process of activation and just refreshing and seeing how it's gone. And that should all be updated. So let's go again and just see. And if we just keep opening the levels, as you can see, the earning capabilities are enormous. Like, you know, the ability to earn 200 mil, you know, times 5. You're looking at 1 billion, 284 times 5. You know, this starts getting very high, very fast. And it doesn't take much, does it? So it's just about referring the people on to keep moving forward. Like I said, it's a nice little learning mechanism, and this right now is in its infancy. They've already been fully audited by Certic. They're all up and running. And yeah, I think this is one to check out, guys. So the recent upgrade is pretty significant. So swap and limit orders are now 16% cheaper. Up to, it's worth pointing out, might be only 8%, but every swap being cheaper is only a good thing. One of the core improvements, 1inch's swap router now slashes gas usage by up to 16% on common routes, notably the Uniswap version 2, version 3 and Curve protocols. But it's been optimized as much as possible to work across the board. And this upgrade, yeah, March 1st, so pretty damn good. So again, solid moves in the right direction for 1inch. Now, what makes it unique is it was the first DEX aggregator. So it does have first mover advantage as a DEX aggregator. And they offer very good pricing, they've got very good security, and it's the most audited project in DeFi. Now, what bodes very well for 1inch moving forward is that we are going to see a surge in DeFi once again. We're going to certainly see a surge in DEXs. We've seen actually huge growth in Solana DEXs. And as of right now, they have not even integrated Solana yet. So when, I don't think they have anyway. Oh no, Solana is there. So maybe they have, finally. Let's have a little look-see, shall we? One-stop access. Base, Ethereum. So no, so Solana's still not fully integrated. Let's launch the DApp, see what happens. Can I swap? So Solana is not here. So again, what bodes really well here is they still got Solana to integrate, and I would expect that we will see that integration in the coming couple of months. Solana have had incredible surges with DEXs across the board. The volume that's actually going through them is pretty damn good. Adding Solana, which is a chain that's experiencing significant growth right now, is a really good idea. Because again, then you've just got a lot of people that want to use Solana but will come to 1inch because you'll aggregate across the Solana network. So I think they'll experience a surge when they integrate Solana, but I expect they'll experience a surge across the board anyway. We're going to see another surge in DeFi. DEXs have been popping off again, particularly Solana, but we're going to see that across the board. I have no doubt we'll see that in Cardano as well. And as an aggregator, I think they're outstanding. And when I look at 1inch, I'm not fully convinced necessarily that we're going to see a new all-time high. Because as of right now, I think 1inch have been a little short on marketing. And they are a very established project at this point. But one thing that does happen is people are fairly habitual. So if you are a user of Uniswap, you probably are comfortable always using Uniswap. If the fees don't particularly bother you, if you're using on Ethereum, obviously you could use it on Arbitrum or whatever. But people tend to get comfortable using what they're familiar with. So a lot of people just go direct to DEXs. And I think a good marketing campaign would bring 1inch really forward in that regard. I don't think we've seen enough of that from 1inch at all. So I cap their sort of potential at only about $4 because fundamentally people are habitual, and to break those habits, you need to make them aware of the benefits. And I just don't think 1inch have shared the benefits in a palatable way from a marketing standpoint. If they go heavy on marketing, though, I would expect a new all-time high for 1inch because I think in terms of what they offer, I think it's the best in class across crypto as an aggregator. I don't think there's anything better. I think they are the king of this, but they simply haven't done enough in terms of drawing attention to the retail customers and people that are using DEXs on the regular. So yeah, $4 is, I think, sort of where the target is. It's about half of what its previous all-time high is. Don't get me wrong, I think this could do way more. I wouldn't be shocked to see it break an all-time high, but I think that is going to be dependent on a really significant, strong marketing campaign. And again, I've not seen evidence of that yet. So I can only go off of the evidence I've seen, which is why I'm only saying $4. But it could easily hit 10 if they go hard. But yeah, we'll see. If you're a 1inch, if you're actually a user of like Uniswap, or if you've used different DEXs, have you used 1inch? And if not, why? Share that in the comments, because I'll be interested to see why. Is it just habit? Or is it that you find 1inch complicated? Or is it just you were unaware of 1inch? Let me know in the comments down below. And guys, if you want to make the same profits as me in the next bull cycle, you can do. All you have to do is go to copymycrypto.com. That's the site I run, where I share with my members every single coin that I own. Anytime I find a crypto that I think is going to make me a lot of cash, I go onto my site, I tell my members about the coin that I'm going to buy, the profits I think it can have, and the percentage of my money I'm going to put in. And that means the members can copy along exactly. When I sell a coin, I also do the same thing. I let my members know what coin I'm selling and at what price. And again, they can cash out at the same price. And they make the exact same profit, and they don't have to do any work at all. And that's why we have thousands and thousands and thousands of members, because they're making great money in crypto, but they're not having to do any work. They don't have to learn about the technology or anything. And if you want to see what they've made, go to copymycrypto.com. It's there. It's also on the history of this channel. If you want to see what I've said in the past, like the course I did about Phantom, how I said when no one was talking about Phantom, when I found it $9 million market cap, this is going to 100x or more. Did nearly 700x. When I find Phantom coins like Phantom now, I don't create courses. I just tell the members, like I do with all my coins. So if you want to find out about some of the next big coins as well, copymycrypto.com is where you go. And that's it from me, guys. Have a good day. Bye-bye.